Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. If you work in private equity, you're probably already deep in the weeds of portfolio management, strategic planning, governance, reporting, you name it. But lately, one question keeps surfacing for me. How can generative AI actually help us do this better? Now, I'll admit, at first, generative AI felt like something out of sci-fi. Lots of buzz, little clarity. But the more I've looked into it, the more I've realized that this isn't some distant future. It's happening right now, and it's reshaping how we manage and create value from our investments. So let me walk you through what I've learned. Think of generative AI as a new, highly capable toolkit, one that helps us analyze data more intelligently, make sharper decisions, and improve the way our investments perform. And in a market as complex as ours, that edge matters. For example, in strategic planning, AI helps map out more robust, data-informed long-term strategies. In governance, it provides an added layer of oversight. And when it comes to add-on acquisitions, it makes identifying and integrating companies more efficient and targeted. But the real magic? It's in how AI handles information, sifting through massive volumes of data to uncover what's actually driving performance, or what's quietly holding things back. It catches patterns we might miss. For instance, it might detect that a certain kind of customer engagement on social media has way more impact on sales than we thought, letting us reallocate resources more effectively. And when it comes to risk, AI acts like an early warning system. It continuously monitors not just financials, but sentiment, supply chains, news, you name it. It spots subtle shifts before they snowball into problems. Now, beyond the strategic stuff, it's helping with the day-to-day grind too. Things like compiling reports, tracking KPIs, and automating performance dashboards. What used to take hours now gets done in minutes. That means our analysts get to focus more on insight and action, less on formatting and copying data from system to system. It even helps with compliance. By understanding reporting rules and regulations, AI can generate reports automatically, reducing errors and helping us stay aligned with our regulatory obligations. But let's get even more concrete. When we analyze a portfolio company, AI doesn't just surface the usual KPIs. It helps uncover the deeper performance drivers, things traditional metrics might miss. And when you combine that with predictive analytics, it becomes a powerful forecasting engine, one that uses historical and real-time data to give us a clearer picture of what's likely coming next. We're talking smarter valuation decisions, better timing for acquisitions or exits, and more confidence in scenario planning. AI can simulate what-if situations like market shocks, consumer shifts, or tech disruptions and help us plan our responses. It's a kind of data-driven crystal ball, minus the guesswork. Even in acquisition strategy, AI is transforming how we source and prioritize targets. It crawls through huge databases, filters based on our investment criteria, and flags the most promising leads. It can even summarize key diligence documents and flag red flags faster than any human team. To sum up what generative AI brings to the table in PE portfolio management, I'd break it into 4 big buckets. First, better decisions through predictive analytics, using past and present data to shape smarter, forward-looking strategies. Second, stronger scenario planning and risk mitigation by simulating possible futures and stress testing portfolio resilience. Third, automation of reporting and compliance, saving time, reducing errors, and streamlining stakeholder updates. Fourth, operational efficiency and resource optimization, helping teams move faster and focus on what really drives value. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. There are some real challenges. Data quality is foundational. Bad input means bad output. We also need explainability, why the AI gave a recommendation matters, especially in regulated environments. And integrating AI into existing systems? That takes strategy, alignment, and change management. It's not plug and play. Still, the use cases are growing. Some firms are using AI for knowledge management, creating smart internal search tools that surface insights from piles of internal documents. Others are using it to analyze expert network calls, pulling out key takeaways from hours of conversations. And while privacy and change management are real concerns, firms that get this right, they're already seeing results: better decision making, more efficient operations, and stronger competitive positioning. So here's the big takeaway: generative AI isn't just some nice to have experiment. It's a serious, practical tool, one that can meaningfully improve how we manage portfolios and create value. As I think about where this is headed, I keep coming back to one question: how will generative AI reshape the competitive landscape in our industry? Because ready or not, it's already starting to. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.